Brought to you by JEGS.
Welcome back to Boostline Performance. Up next on the dyno this evening is one of our Street Strip Series 5.7 liter LS engines. We're using a GM crank, Gen 4 rods, Molly pistons, a Truck Norris cam, and our Boostline Port 243 Cathedral port heads. We're netting about 10-to-1 compression, so let's get in here, let's break it in, let's make some pulls and see what kind of power this thing's gonna make. All right, that just about wraps it up on this Street Strip Series 5.7 liter. We had a lot of fun with this one. The whole team was in here making bets on how much power it was gonna make. 502 horsepower at 10-to-1 compression on pump 91. We're pretty impressed. It's a solid package. And if you were looking for something like this, maybe this is the specific combination you need for your application. It's available through JEGS, so be sure to check out the JEGS website.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery, your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.